All right, so we have this block oscillating, horizontal mass spring, right? It's a harmonic motion with amplitude A. That means how far we stretch it and compress it. So which of the following statements is correct? At x equals 0, the acceleration is maximum. So if I want to know about the acceleration, I want to know about the force. At this point, horizontally, there's no force because the spring is at its relaxed length here. So here, this is wrong because the F net is 0, which implies the acceleration is 0. At x equals a, its displacement is at a maximum. That is true. It's stretched the most, so that one's good. At x equals a, its velocity is a maximum. No, remember when it's fully stretched at the end, it's all spring potential energy because the spring is fully stretched. So all the energy is in the spring, so there's no kinetic energy, which means it can't be moving. And at x equals a, the acceleration is 0. Now, when we're over here, we have a huge spring force, right, that's going to be pushing it. And so that's why this one is B. Well, because so if there's a force, right, then the acceleration can't be 0. The net force is not 0. Which of the following statements about the energy of the block system, spring system, is correct? Potential energy is minimum at x equals 0. So the potential energy is a spring potential energy, and it's specifically 0 at x equals 0 because the spring is not stretched or compressed. Remember, the spring potential energy is 1/2 kx squared. And x is how much we are stretched relative to the relaxed length of the spring. The spring is at its relaxed length here, so this one is correct. The potential energy of the spring is a minimum at x equals a. No, at x equals a, the spring is very stretched from the equilibrium position, so it's not that one. Kinetic energy is minimum at x equals 0. No, at here, there's no spring potential, lots of kinetic energy because it's moving fast. And is at maximum kinetic energy at x equals a. Not that one either, because at the maximum stretch, then remember it's all spring potential energy, no kinetic energy. So that's why it's A.